Jokingly, Ghoradding. Ghoradding means a horse never gives eggs. It is fantastic. It is not possible. Similarly, these heavenly planets for a Vaishnava is Ghoradding. They don't care for it. It is no fact. So Kaivalyam Narakayate Tirasapura Akasa Pushpayate. Kurmis, they want to go to the heavenly planet. This is the sarcastic remark upon the Kurmis. And Kaivalyam Narakayate, a sarcastic remark upon the Gyanis. They want to become one. Kaivalyam Narakayate Tirasapura Akasa Pushpayate Duddanta Indriya Kala Sarpapatali Pratkhata Dangstrayati. Duddanta Indriya, our senses are very powerful. Duddanta, we cannot control. Just like snake. Snakes, if you get some snakes here, it is very difficult to control. If you go to control immediately, it will bite and your life is finished. But mantra ausadhi, those who know mantra and ausadhi, they can control. But common man, they cannot control. But this Prabodhananda Saraswati said that there is no control, there is no question of control. This snake is horrible, very fearful, so long it has got the poison teeth. Wisdom. So, sometimes the physicians, according to Ayurvedic system, they take out the poison from the teeth. They do not kill, but catch and take out the poison. So, if the poison teeth is taken away, the snake is no more fearful. So, Prabodhananda Saraswati says, the Duddanta Kala Sarpapatali Pratkhata Dangstrayat. Just like the dentist take away the teeth. Similarly, if one snake's poison teeth is taken away, so it is no more fearful. In Bengal it is said, Bishnai Kulopana Chakra. So, one who knows that this snake's poison teeth is taken away, he is not happy. But this snake is fearful to the boys, to the children, not to the elderly. So anyone who has become devotee, for them, these senses which are compared with the snakes, they are not fearful. Just like Haridas Thakur. He was a young man, he has got all the senses, and the young girl, beautiful girl, came before him, but he was not feared. Because the poison teeth is taken away of his senses. His senses being engaged in Krishna's service, it is no more controller or the sense proprietor. This is the question. Therefore Prabodhananda Saraswati said that Duddanta, the senses are like the snakes. It is very difficult to control. But it can be controlled because the poison teeth is taken away. This is the position of devotee. Kaivalyam Narakayate Tidasapura Akasa Pushpayate Duddanta Indriya Kala Sarpapatali Pratkhata Dangstrayate. And what is the other? Na Vidhi-Mahendradishcha Kichayate. I was going to come to this point. Vidhi-Mahendradishcha Kichayate. Vidhi means Brahma. And Mahendra means the king of heaven, Indradev. Such big man. What to speak of this Churchill or Subhash Bose? This big. They are kitayate. Kitayate means a devotee thinks this Brahman Indra exactly like this insect. That is the conception. That is actually the fact. Everyone, it is the relative word. Relatively, it looks very gorgeous. But actually, just like proportion, you put 5 upon 10 and 5 millions upon 10 million. The ratio is the same, half. Similarly, these big men, these big politicians, they are struggling exactly like the insect. The whole life they struggle, and in the morning at a certain time there is heaps of dead bodies. That's all. We have seen it in Calcutta when there was Hindu-Muslim riot. They fought, and in Bagwaja there are heaps of dead bodies. And when it is dead body, nobody could understand who is Hindu and who is Muslim. Simply it was to be cleared from the road. So our position is like that. So we may be afraid of this fearful agent, but Krishna is not afraid of fearful agent. Because we should not. Therefore, Kunti is astonished. Vimohayati. This is my astonishment. How Krishna is afraid of his mother. Everyone is afraid of Krishna. That Krishna, Kunti admits that. Therefore, it is called Leela. Everything, whatever Krishna does, it is Leela. Leela means he is enjoying that fearful attitude of himself. Everyone praise him as the Supreme Lord. He is adored, he is worshipped. Nobody can be fearful to him. Nobody goes to Krishna, I have come to chastise you, Krishna. That is not possible. Nobody goes to the temple with the attitude, with a stick, I have come to chastise you. Everyone is praying. So when Krishna thinks that I wants to be chastised, at that time he becomes subordinate to his devotee to be chastised. This is Krishna's Gita. Krishna agrees. Then nobody comes to chastise me, all my devotees. If some devotee comes to chastise me, I would like it. So Krishna accepts such great devotee as his mother and father, and they are able to chastise Krishna. So these people, the Mahabharati people, they are trying to become one with the God. But a devotee doesn't like to be one with God, but better than God or higher than God. That is devotee. Devotee is so powerful that a devotee can claim to become higher than God. They can produce God, just like Yasodama. Devaki, he produced God, and God agrees. These Devaki and Vasudeva, they underwent severe penances, austerities, without any conjugal union. They undergone tapasya, and Krishna came to them that what do you want? Now we want a son like you. So Krishna said, who can be equal to me? That is not possible. I shall become your son. This is the reason that Krishna took birth as the son of Devaki, because they become Krishna, Vasudeva and Devaki, or Mother Jasoda and Nanda, they became the father and mother of Krishna, and now they are chastising Krishna. It is not so easy thing. They have to undergo thousands of years and penances to take this position of chastising